Friday workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're making wooden page holders.
What are wooden page holders?
Yeah, so you can hold a page with one hand and it doesn't hurt after a while.
Yeah, you just put them in your thumb and then hold the page open like this and it holds all the pages open. It doesn't hurt at all.
Yeah, so here we go. So the size of this across is 85 millimeters, which is about 3.5 inches. That's how long we're gonna be making these.
Yep, the hole inside is a 24 millimeter hole. And so we're gonna be using a 24 millimeter Forstner bit and putting it on there. The height is 35 millimeters, which is about 1.5 inches. So that's what we're gonna do. The first thing to make it easiest is we're gonna drill the hole first and then mark everything around the hole. It's much harder to clamp down a weird piece of wood on the drill press. So that's what we're gonna do. The backing piece keeps the tear out from happening.
Now we're gonna go ahead and sand this all flat, and then we're gonna go ahead and round the edges with some hand sandpaper. You know what time it is? It's time! Yeah! Here we go! On to the next step. Now it's time to pop off this lid off the cognac. That wasn't prepped at all. I love cognac stain. We recently did a video on it too. It was in our napkin holder video. Pretty cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and let this dry. Time to spray it off with shellac clear coat.
Whoa, look at that! That works pretty well.
Yeah!
Friday workshop. Well, there it is.
Yeah!
Yeah, that turned out great. Holy cow. What a wonderful color. What a wonderful little thing there. And yeah.
Turned out beautiful.
Yeah. So if you like videos like these,
You should check out this one!
like and subscribe.